In 3 easy steps, I'm gonna show you guys how to look presentable for the whole day. First step is to apply powder all over our face para to reduce the oiliness and para may pang base tayo. Right now, I'm using the Johnson's baby powder because it's very affordable, especially sa estudyante, lalo na sa mga budgeted ang allowance rather, and madali lang siyang gamitin, and it reduces the oiliness on our skin, and it's very blendable, kaya I highly recommend this rather. Then second step is to do our brows. Right now, I'm using the automatic EX24 eyebrow pencil that I got from Miniso for 99 pesos. And what I love about this product is it glides easily, it's blendable, and it's very user-friendly. Kaya wala akong regrets when I got this. I highly recommend this actually. It's very affordable. Tapos, it's really good for beginners sa makeup kasi hindi siya mahirap gamitin since it's actually, as I said, user-friendly. And it has a spoolie on the other end, kaya convenient talaga siya. Then next is I'm gonna set my brows on place using the Nichido eyebrow gel. Go-to eyebrow gel ko to since 150 pesos lang siya. Then lastly is we're gonna apply cheek and lip tint on our cheeks and on our lips so we have color at di tayo magmukhang putla for the whole day. Ngayon, I'm using the Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint. I love the smell, I love the pigmentation, and I love how blendable it is. Hindi siya mahirap gamitin, hindi siya patchy, and it's lightweight. So, I highly recommend this product. So, yeah guys, that's it for this look. I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo, and I hope you guys like this video. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. And always remember that every day is a day to slay. Bye!